Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is updated and backed up. That prevents data loss if you change settings. Next, make or sign into a non-China App Store Apple ID so you can install VPN apps normally. This step bypasses local app restrictions. Once done, pick a reputable VPN that advertises obfuscation or stealth modes and buy a subscription. Prefer Apple billing for simplicity, but a direct vendor plan works too. These choices determine reliability and how well the VPN avoids blocks. Install the VPN app from the foreign app store and allow required permissions for network extensions and notifications. Without them, the client can't create a tunnel. Then configure protocol options. Choose WireGuard for speed, IKEv2 for stability, or OpenVPN for flexibility, and enable obfuscation or stealth mode to hide VPN traffic. Next, let the app add a VPN profile in Settings General VPN and Device Management. Make sure Connect on Demand is set if you want automatic protection, and choose a nearby server for better latency. Now connect to an obfuscated server and wait for the app to show an active tunnel. You should see a VPN icon in the status bar. Verify success with a DNS/IP check inside the app or a privacy test to confirm no leaks. If it fails, switch protocol or port. Try TCP 443 or a different server region, and toggle between Wi-Fi and cellular to rule out network blocks. If problems persist, reinstall the app. Refresh your credentials and contact provider support. Often changing protocol or port fixes stubborn blocks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.